How to restore purchases on Toca Life World. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the Toca Life World app on your device. Now, as you can see, there are two buttons. The first one is a green cart button and the second one is blue play button. So you simply want to tap on the cart button. Once you tap on it, let's give it some time to load the page. Now you're going to find this right here. So over here, what you want to do now is scroll all the way down, and at the very bottom, you're going to find a black restore button. So you simply want to tap on that button and then confirm it to restore your purchases. Now, as you can see, I don't have any history of purchase on my Toca Life World app. That's why that option is not showing. But if you do have a history, it's going to show right there. So simply tap on it to restore your purchase. And that's pretty much it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.